Hello children, welcome back to revision video. Geography chapter 3, Mineral and Power Resources. Here we can see the mineral production according to the ranking. Suppose coal, the largest producer of coal is China and the second largest is India. For natural gas, United States, second one is Russia, petroleum, United States. The second largest producer is Saudi Arabia. Then we can see nuclear fuel and gemstone. This is the world map and the names of the countries are being written over here. So according to the given charts which we have read earlier, you can locate the countries, so that in exam also you can locate the countries according to the leading producers of some particular mineral or the metals. Kolar gold fields, this is given in your textbook Geography chapter 3, but the short form of Kolar gold fields is KGF, and you must have seen the movie KGF chapter 1. Of course it is based on this mine or Kolar gold mine or Kolar gold fields. So Kolar gold field is a mining region in KGF Taluk, Kolar district, Karnataka, and it is in India. Children, again this picture has been taken from your textbook, and here it is written extraction of salt from Sambar lake that is situated in Rajasthan. Salt, it is obtained from seas, lakes and rocks. India is one of the world's leading producers and exporters of salt. For your better understanding, I have collected more pictures for extraction of salt from Sambar lake. Go through it. Again, one more picture over here. Sambar is famous for its salt lake and wildlife sanctuary. The Sambar Salt Lake is the biggest inland salt lake in India and even mentioned in the legendary epic Mahabharata. This picture is from your textbook. Here it is shown quarrying of limestone. Limestone in Hindi it is called Chuna Patthar. This picture again has been taken from your textbook. It is a view of thermal power station. So let's see about the thermal power station. Children, we have learnt about coal. It is a mineral. This is the most abundantly found fossil fuel. It is used as a domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel, steam engines, and to generate electricity. Electricity from coal is called thermal power, and so this is the view of a thermal power station. By this diagram we can learn how the hydel power is generated. Rainwater or river water stored in dams is made to fall from heights. The falling water flows through pipes inside the dam over turbine blades placed at the bottom of the dam. The moving blades then turn the generator to produce electricity. This is called hydroelectricity. The water discharged after the generation of electricity is used for irrigation. 1/4 of the world's electricity is produced by the hydel power. In this figure also we can see Salal hydroelectric project, Jammu and Kashmir. So this is the way how the hydel power is generated.